Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are still on the topic set and operation. In the previous video, we talked about Venn diagram, how we can use Venn diagram to represent set, that is subset of a universal set. So we have a question to that effect. So we have P and Q are subset of the universal set, which is a set of X so that 1 is less or equals to X and X is also less or equals to 10. So P and Q are subset of this set. So the element of P is just a set of X so that X is even numbers or is an even number. Then that of our Q is also going to be set of X so that X is what? An odd number. What are we to do? First of all, we are to list all the elements of the set U, P, and Q. So this is just stating the property. This is set builder notation. This is also the set builder notation in the stating property form. So we need to indicate the element of the set U. 1 is less or equals to, meaning 1 is included in the range. So I have all the elements from 1 to 10. This means that the number before the sign is inclusive and the number after the sign is also what? Inclusive. Then we have the set of what? P, which are what? Even numbers. Now don't forget, we say that what? P is a subset of what? U, meaning all the elements of P is derived from U. So even though this is an open set, we cannot continue to state numerous number of even numbers, but it must be in the umbrella of what? The universal set. So that will be 2, 4, so up to 10. Because even numbers, we have an endless list of even numbers, but in this case, the numbers must be under the universal set. Then we go for odd numbers. So this is also the set of what? Q. So we are done with the first aspect of the question. The second one, the what? Represent the UPQ on a Venn diagram. So right away, before I indicate the subset, the rectangle is used to represent the universal set. Then the two circles that will be drawn will represent our subset. So in the previous lesson, we said that before you draw your subset, you must first indicate your intersection. Check whether they have intersection. That is the most important one. So looking at P and Q, these are all even numbers, and in this, there is no number divisible by 2. So that simply means that if I want to check from here, your P intersection Q is going to be a null set, an empty set. Meaning these two sets are disjoint sets. They don't have overlap. So that simply means that if I'm drawing the first set, the second set, Q and P, they are disjoint sets, meaning two sets that have no element in common. So I will now list the element of P to be 2, 4, 6, 8, and what? 10. Then this become 1, 3, 5, 7, and what? 9. Now, I'll have to check my universal set whether all the numbers listed here are actually under the universal set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the numbers are present. So it means that there is no complement. There is no A union B what? Complement. So this will be your final representation. Then we have to find the number of subsets. Number of subsets. Now we have to know how many elements are in the set Q. We are looking for Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that number of elements of set Q is what? 5. So how many different groups of sets can we get from this? We know that to find the subset, number is given as 2 exponents what? N, where our n is what? Number of elements. Number of elements in that given set. So if we are saying that we are looking for subset of the set Q, and the element of set Q is what? 5. That simply means that for me to get the number of subsets is going to be 2 exponent n going to become 2 exponent what? 5. The n is the number we are having as what? The number of elements, and that will be 5. So if you find 2 times 2 times 2 5 times, that will give you 32, meaning there are 32 different element subsets of a set that contain 5 elements. Alright, so this is just to summarize what we did in the previous lesson before this. So the next episode we are going to tackle 2 set problem into detail, how to use it, the Venn diagram, to solve questions concerning 2 set problem. If you followed and liked this video, as you find it educative and very useful, please give a thumbs up, share with anybody who might need this, and leave your comment as we get interactive. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.